Yo, check this out. Cracking open the 2019 P cakes on
Hot Wheels Collectors Hawaii.
So you like watching our videos. We do appreciate that. So we'd like you to subscribe and like our channel, as well as hit the bell to get notifications on all the new videos that we do as they come out. That way you're fresh in the know. Even though we don't sound enthused, we're very enthused about busting the case open because we get to see new stuff and it's cool.
Yes.
Yeah, we're just not jumping around for all the fantasy cards. But when we do see cards, we like ooh and ah the thing. So we're hoping there's a Batmobile in here.
Oh wow!
And a super.
I see something I like already.
Really? Okay.
Yeah. So let's tip it over.
I hope there's something I like in there.
What we call this the top-down look. Can you see something you like? Oh, you know what? Get that down. Try not to dump it. So
I see one I like already.
So let's start up here.
Yes.
The one I'm looking at is at the bottom left-hand corner. So.
Oh. Ooh, wow.
It's a supercharger hot.
Whoa, no way. You got one? Awesome. Awesome. What was it? The Mini Cooper.
Yep. Where's the TH on this bottom corner?
Wow.
Let's get that close up.
Ooh, yeah.
I didn't even see that until I pulled it out.
It's ugly, but hey, it's still a super.
Wow.
Still a super. That's cool.
That's two supers we opened in a case though.
Yes. That's awesome.
Right, so let's go back to the capacity.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah,
right off the bat.
We don't
I missed
tire.
that. On the top down I was looking and I didn't see it. Wow.
You notice we didn't
that one.
even mention what that was, right?
Yeah. Oh.
Ooh. Ooh. I hope there's another Mustang because I know that's yours. And one truck is
They
mine.
might be on the bottom. But you know what? We're going to put these on the side because we'll do an opening on these. That is sweet.
Oh, yeah.
Remember the Halloween one that had the
skull for the wheels, yeah.
This was the same truck, right?
Yeah.
Before.
I actually chromed my skulls.
You chromed the skulls.
I chromed my skulls.
That just didn't sound right.
Yes. I chromed my skulls.
Okay, so Bogzilla, McLaren
Ooh.
Senna.
McLaren. Can I get a McLaren?
Sure. Is that the popsicle orange?
A creamsicle.
Creamsicle.
Yeah, creamsicle.
You know what? This is another European sports car that I do like.
McLaren.
Yeah. I don't know if it's the name.
Is it like handmade, made to order?
All right, next set. Oh,
Ooh.
Focus.
For focus.
Ford Focus.
Ooh, let me see that focus. Let me see what kind of rims get on that. See that thing look good for chrome.
There you go. Focus.
Focus. Oh yeah.
You probably could
that.
chrome
Yeah,
that.
I can chrome that. It'll be difficult, but can.
Can. Oh.
Can. Ooh. Batmobile.
Yeah, I believe you're gonna want one of those. We'll take the middle one because that's the better one. You know what?
Even that's cool right there.
Yeah.
That 442 is
It's
nice.
It's an art card too.
Oh, I like that one, but that is
Let's open this
cool.
Batmobile.
Oh, that one is nice. Let me get on that one. I would like one of those.
Ooh, Tesla Model 3.
Tesla.
Hey, remember this one?
Yeah.
This is the recolor. The other looked better.
Yeah.
And the Piranha Terror.
Piranha. We don't even mention some of these, bro. We gotta be so bad, bro.
Oh, there's Rapid Responder. I think we got a video coming up with all of the premium one.
Oh, okay.
Emergency. So let's put that on the side. All right.
Ooh, is that a
you
Lambo?
know?
Oh, and it's got the Italian colors.
I thought this was a Target Red edition.
Ooh, is that the only one got?
You can take it.
Oh yeah, this one.
Oh, there it is.
Wow.
That Buick Riviera.
Yeah, that is nice,
awesome.
bro.
You want one?
Yes,
Okay.
I do.
I think I picked up one off the pig. This one's the better one. I think I
Oh,
picked
these
up
are
one off the
nice.
pig, so I'll pull that one out.
I think this is the celebration of the Day of the Dead, right? Because
Yeah.
it has all the skulls and stuff, and the big D on the front.
Oh, there's another Porsche.
Oh yeah.
That the Panera one.
That's that bread too, huh?
Oh, you know what? I just found that yellow Mustang.
Oh, there we
I
go.
was at the store. I was like, I'm not leaving that. I was like, but I know we got the P case though. Okay. Do you see that Batmobile in here?
No,
Did we
almost
say it
sick.
was a P case?
Yeah.
Where is that Batmobile?
Oh, I think there is one. I see it.
Oh.
Oz sees it.
Okay, let's see. Next three.
See.
Oh, on the Civic Type R.
Ooh, I'll take one.
I think this is the 2018.
It's the recolor. It's white.
Yeah, what was the other one? Red, right?
Red, blue, and then Zamac.
Oh, that's the one I never got the Zamac. Oh, there you go. Range Rover.
Ooh, wow. Is it the first Range Rover?
Kroger has their exclusive is white.
Wait, is this?
This is the first.
This is the first they had. I gotta
Yep.
get one then. That's cool.
Yeah, this one's the better one.
This actually looks really nice.
Yeah. Yeah, the Range Rover looks really nice. I really want to get that Kroger one though. Hey,
Ooh, custom Ford Mustang.
GT. It's a Golf livery too.
Yeah.
I don't think I have that one. Let me pull that out.
Oh, I see a rod in there too. It's like a Mopar.
Okay. Tesla Model S. Baja Holler. Baja. Baja Humbug.
What is that? What is that? What is that?
What? Ford Ranchero.
Ooh, it's a Ranchero.
High
If you do not want that, I will take it.
You sure can. The one I really liked that came out was the black one with the red.
Yeah, this is the recolor.
Yeah. Oh, check that out.
Oh, that's pretty cool, Rod Squad.
Yeah, I like this. This is probably the only tuned one I really, really like.
Oh, look at that Mustang. I mean, the Corvette.
Grand Sport.
At least see the Corvette? That's the Grand Sport one?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can put that over there. Okay, what is that green one over there hanging out?
Let's see.
Yeah,
Oh, this is Aston Martin. That is sweet.
wow, that's nice.
Such
bro.
a mild color, but it just looks sweet with that black top and black wheels.
I'll take one.
I believe I pulled
Because these rims, that's what the 10 spoke ones.
Yep. I believe I pulled some of those. Oh, RX-7.
Okay, ooh, I'll take an RX-7
Squirrel.
too. Squirrel. Oh, this is a nice. Oh, look at this
Yeah.
green, but look at that green, dude.
Isn't that like a metallic?
That's pearl metallic.
Yeah.
There's the Batmobile.
Oh, there it is.
I give my treasure.
Oh, it's not.
It's not.
That is.
Oh, I was all sick.
Yeah, because I found one on the pigs. Let's pull that one out.
Look at
There
that.
it is.
Treasure
See the
Hunt. Animated series Batmobile. Look at that. Get flames too on there. Look at that.
So you can take that one.
Yay! I got myself a Batmobile.
Yeah, he was pretty sick when I showed him. Oh, finally!
Oh, is that the Bugatti? Oh,
Oh,
crap,
there's
there's only
only
one? Ah.
Hey, wait, this is a P case.
Yeah.
What case did that come out of?
I thought it comes out in the P case. Q.
I got a Q. We gotta open still.
Okay.
Okay, so we are definitely opening this one.
Oh, God.
Let's put this one on the side. But look at this one. This is a new one.
Alpine Auto.
Alpine 810. A110. I pulled this one
Alexi?
on the pegs, so I'm gonna open the one I found.
I just like it because this color is nice.
I like it because it's such a different looking car.
Yeah.
And here you go. Audi RS Coupe.
Howdy.
Or RS5 Coupe. So remember the wagon?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it looks like the same front, but just a two-door.
Oh, okay.
And I think I already have that to open. And your golf cart on steroids.
Yeah.
Kind of cool.
Well, this is a good case. You got a Super. I got my Batman.
Yep.
You know what I mean? You got the cool red Mustang. I wish I had two, but that's okay.
Oh, It must be late. Folks, we are trying the hardest not to put curse words on the video so that YouTube doesn't, does not
Ding us.
yeah, so that they don't have a reason to not share or promote our videos. But
one of my cars fell out.
at least it wasn't the super.
Yeah.
Or not super, but the regular treasure hunt.
Yeah.
So that's that
Or at least it wasn't my friend's stuff that I would now own.
That would have been really funny.
No, that would.
Well, it would have been funny for me.
Yeah, because then I'd be like, Johnny, like, buy this. You can open them anyway, right?
So this is the.
Oh, that's nice.
This is the P case.
Oh, that's primo. That.
And
everybody's sucking that up.
Oh yeah, I've seen YouTube and Instagram photos of people pulling in the tens, out of multiple cases. A lot of these.
The Bugattis.
So, yeah.
You know why, huh? Because they probably think that Bugatti going to be like the other Bugattis, but it ain't. Because the other Bugattis are less than those.
The video stopped.
At least I assume it is.
Well, the video stopped.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So, I must have hit the wrong. I don't know when it stopped.
Oh, crap.
All chaos today. This is going to be a very interesting video.
Yeah, it is.
So, hi.
So,
we're going to do an opening. We'll do the opening, and then we'll open that Q case, because I hope that there's one more in that Q case.
I'd like to get one.
Yeah. Let's close this one up. If we didn't already.
So everybody out there, we'd like to thank you guys for stopping by and checking us out. Like and share the videos with everybody on planet Earth, Mars, Jupiter, and Uranus. Okay? We are
Hot Wheels Collectors, Hawaii.
And new viewers, thank you for stopping by and checking our stuff out. We appreciate the time and effort you took to painfully watch us. But thank you nonetheless. Check out our end screens where you see links to our previous videos, a video YouTube thinks you'll like, and one that we think you should watch. All right, so with that homework that you got to do, we got more stuff coming up. All right, shoots then.